Hello students, we have a question from JEE Mains 2016. It is a question from chapter coordinate geometry. Let's see the question. There is a given two sides of the rhombus are along the lines. It is equal to the x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. It is an equation. And 7x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. It is another equation. If its diagonals intersect at -1, -2, then which one of the following is a vertex of the rhombus? Very easy question. First of all, we have to focus on that concept we are using here. Concept is that slope point form a straight line. Means if you have any point x1 comma y1 and there is a given slope m, then you can find the equation. You can y minus y1 m x minus x1. This is the equation by the slope point form. Slope point form of a straight line. Simply this concept we have to use to solve this question. Let's see how to use. There is a given equation of the sides, one side of the rhombus, means what? X minus y plus 1 equal to 0, and this is another equation. It is given 7x minus y plus minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of this straight line, and this is the equation of this straight line. If you are thinking कि why would I not take this equation of this straight line? When we take straight line equation of straight line, this straight line, then parallel, these lines are parallel, means slope should be equal, and there is a not slope. There is a slope minus plus 7 and there is slope plus 1. Then these slopes are not equal, then we can't take this equation. Then we can't take this equation of this straight line, when simply. And you can also suggest the name A, B, C, D like this. When we solve this equation, then you can find intersection of this point, and this is the intersection of this point by this solving this equation 1, 2, and intersection of this diagonal, intersection of the diagonal of this rhombus, it is given in question, means what? -1, -2. And as we know that by the property of the rhombus, if any rhombus and diagonal of this, in the intersection of this diagonal will be the midpoint of this point, midpoint of this vertex, means this is the midpoint of this vertex. Let's see vertex x1 y1 of C. Coordinate x1 y1, it is the vertex of C. It is a coordinate of C. Then you can find by this formula and by this property, it is a midpoint of this coordinate. Then you can write here -1 equal to x1 plus 1 by 2, and -2 it is equal to the y1 plus by 2. Then x1 would be the -3 and y1 would be the -6. Then C would be the -3 -6. This is the coordinate of C, -3 -6. And further you can find D and B. Then you can see the slope of AD, means this is AD and there is slope of AD, means what? 1. And then you can find slope of AC also by this two point form slope. Then you can write slope of AC, means M of AC equal to the 2 minus 2 by 1 minus 1. Then it is equal to the slope of AC is equal to the 2. Then slope of AC would be the 2, then slope of BD would be the -1/2. As we know that the diagonal of the rhombus will be intersect on the midpoint and at perpendicular bisector. This is a perpendicular bisector, means what? M1 M2 equal to -1. When we have two slope and it will be perpendicular, then you can write here M1 M2 equal to -1, means if M1 equal to 2, then you can find M2 equal to -1/2, and this slope will be equal to the BD. Then slope of BD is equal to the -1/2, and this BD will passes through the coordinate -1, -2. Then you can find the equation y - 2 -1/2 means slope point form x plus 1. Then you can solve the equation, then you can find x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. When we put the option A, B, C, D, then 1/3 minus 8/3 will satisfy this equation. You can put the value 1/3 minus 16/3 plus 5 equal to 0. Then C option would be the correct option, means 1/3 comma minus 8/3. It is the correct option. Further, if you have any doubt regarding this question or concept, then you can also watch the video, length around 2 or 3 minutes, and you can also read the book. This is a book. It is a book, NCERT book, class 11th mathematics. You don't need to read whole book. You have to focus only page number 214 and line number 1. And there is another book, coordinate geometry. It is a Ariane publication, page number 81, line number 1. Thank you, students.